Wait, before you scroll, did you know you can have multiple phone numbers without needing two SIM cards? Yes, eSIM is the future, and I'm about to show you how to set it up step by step. Why have eSIM, you might ask? So you can have two numbers on one phone, work and personal. You can travel hassle-free. No need to add a local SIM instantly. And there is no need for a physical SIM slot. Today, I'll be using the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. But don't worry, if you have another Android device or an iPhone, check the description for specific instructions. Let's get started. Set up eSIM on Samsung Galaxy. But the thing is, your phone has to be updated to at least the One UI 5 Plus version. So that's why it's important to always update your phone. So Samsung Galaxy with the One UI 5 Plus, you open settings, you tap settings here, and you go to connections, that is connections, and you tap SIM manager, that one, and you select add mobile plan or add eSIM. That's here, you select that, it's coming. And then there are options. You can either transfer SIM from another phone, or you can scan a QR code. But before you do this, you already contacted your network provider, right, to get a number, or to sign up for service. So if they give you a QR, then you can scan the QR code, or follow the on-screen guide. So you can either scan the QR from your network provider or enter details manually. Then you follow the prompt to activate the eSIM. Once activated, select which SIM to use for calls, text, and data. So done. You can now switch between SIMs anytime. Now, how to set up eSIM on other Android phones. Techno, Infinix, Pixel, Motorola, all of that. So since I don't have the thing I will be mentioning it. So you go to settings. Let me see how different it will be on my end here. So you always start with going to settings, network and internet. Well, mine will go to connection, but network and internet. Then you tap mobile network, and then you select carrier. You select add carrier, and then you scan the QR code and enter the details manually. Then you follow the prompts to activate it. For iPhone users, I will leave the step-by-step instruction in the in the description of this video, so check that. Okay, if this helped you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more tech tutorials. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone. Thank you.